Here's how to remove your email address on your Facebook account. Now open up the Facebook app on your iPhone, Android, or computer. Go to facebook.com. Now we need to get to your settings to be able to do this. So tap on menu at the bottom right and the gear icon at the top right. After you've done that, keep in mind you have two different options. One is you can create a new email address and essentially just change it to that new email address. Or the second option is you can delete your email address, but you do need your phone number linked on there to be able to get verification codes when you log in. So I'll show you how to do that. Let's tap See More in Account Center and then Personal Details. After we've done that, you can see at the very top is your contact info, both your email address and phone number. So just tap on that. And now, as I said before, you might want to tap on Add a New Contact and add a new email address. Basically go through the process of verifying a new email. If you just wanted to switch it, this will allow you to get the code emailed to you if you ever lose access to your account. But if you just wanted to remove your old email address, you can always just get out here, tap on your email, tap on Facebook, and then tap delete from Facebook. Now keep in mind on here, it does say, please note, you won't receive email notifications, or if you get locked out of your account, of course, you can't use that email address to get those codes texted to you or emailed to you. So you do need a phone number associated with your account. If you don't have a phone number, you can always go back again, tap Add New Contact, add phone number, and then just enter in a new phone number here to verify that as well.